Hi, I am back with another video. This is Jimmy, and today I am going to do a rant on the internet disconnecting. Don't you guys just hate it when the internet disconnects? Because I hate it when the internet disconnects. Let's say, for example, you're watching a YouTube video, and all of a sudden you're in the middle of the video, and it pauses. And a globe shape with a don't sign appears at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then the internet disconnects. And I'm like, come on, really? You have to do this when I'm watching YouTube, and you're going to have to click on the globe with the don't sign on it, the globe shape with the don't sign on it. Go to the Wi-Fi, click connect, and hopefully the internet will reconnect. And if it doesn't, you'll have to restart the laptop or computer, which takes away time for playing on the laptop or computer. I get that sometimes that they have to update the internet. And I also get that sometimes wherever you're living, the Wi-Fi sometimes isn't the best. They should update the internet at a random time, once a week, or better yet, maybe once a month. The internet should not even disconnect at all. But again, I understand that they have to update the internet, and also depending on the area that you're living in or staying at, the Wi-Fi sometimes isn't the best. That's the rant. Thank you for watching. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hope all of you have a great day.